Okay, so part one, I measured out this distance here to fit inside there. So I have to use the cutting wheel and cut this line. I use the cutting wheel and cut here and here as well. These will be the side pieces that go on the side. Bring you up to date a little bit. I made the sleeve, which I'm going to weld this after I cut it down, this section. I'm going to weld it to the top of this. This will be for hammering the post into the ground. And the post has a tapered in, so the sleeve fits right over it. But I also cut it down where I don't mess up the edge when I go to hammering, so there won't be no edge messed up right there. And just to bring you up to date on what I got going on here, I got the metal plate, the angle iron pieces where the holes are lining up where I can bolt them down on both sides. And there we go. And next I'll be making a spot right here to weld the top pipe onto. And I have the bolts and nuts, we can bolt and nut this down. So yeah, it's just a matter of putting it together. I'm kind of going by the seat of the pants thing, you know. As I go, I'm putting it together. I don't have no major game plan in my mind. I'm just going as I go. And so far it seems to be working out pretty cool, pretty good. So, moving forward. Alright, getting ready to weld the pipe to the base of the mailbox, and as you can see we have it all squared up and ready to go. Time to weld. There we go. Happy Mother's Day.
No, thank you. Thank you.